Active 108 burglar alarm features. 30 or 60 seconds delay time setting. Daily alert. DES night mode arming. 1 delay zone, 1 immediate zone. Instant siren alert for zone opens. LED indicators for individual zone status. 2 sirens with tamper provision. Modified siren out timing for short and long. Built-in battery backup provision. Low battery, reverse battery indicators. Resettable fuse. Control panel door tamper. Microcontroller-based system. Introduction to Active 108 Burglar Alarm. Active 108 is a 2-zone key-based burglar alarm system which provides comprehensive and flexible protection for domestic or commercial premises. The system has 2 modes of operation, day mode and night mode. How to change modes in Active 108 Burglar Alarm. To change modes, first place the key in off position. Then place switch to the mode which you want. You will hear a beep sound while changing. Now change the key position to on, to arm the system in mode which you kept. Important note, while system is in on state you can't change modes. Arming Active 108 in day mode. Place the switch in day mode and on the system, you will hear a double beep sound which confirms activation of day mode. In day mode Zone 1 and Zone 2 will be in the active state. Panic and tamper switch will be active. Arming Active 108 in night mode. Place the switch in night mode and on the system, you will hear a double beep sound which confirms activation of night mode. Zone 2 will be activated immediately and the corresponding LED will glow in red. Zone 1 will take a delay time of 1 minute to activate. Once it is activated the corresponding LED will start glowing. Disarming Active 108 system. To disarm the zones, insert key and change it to off position. Important notes about Active 108 system. To activate panel tamper J16, remove the jumper J14. When the siren time jumper STD is shorted, the siren rings for 15 minutes. When the siren time jumper STD is open, the siren rings for 30 minutes. When the Zone 1 delay time jumper ZT1 is shorted, Zone 1 siren rings after 30 seconds. When the Zone 1 delay time jumper ZT1 is open, Zone 1 siren rings after 60 seconds. Zone 2 siren will start ringing immediately when Zone 2 is opened. When tamper is released siren rings. Once you open Zone 1 deactivate the system before delay time.